All right, so I've got 2 of these for you to do, or you should have done. If you haven't done these yet, you need to go back and do them. You should not be doing these problems without, well, you shouldn't be watching this video without doing these problems. All right, so last one here. Red line, green line, purple line. Red line has a y-intercept of 2, has a slope of -1, down 1, right 1. It is a solid line. Green line, it is y is less than 4. There's no x there, which means we're at y is 4. This is a horizontal line. It is dotted. Purple line is x is less than 3. X of 3 is right here. That is a dotted line. That is vertical. Let's do our shading. Red line shading. This says y is greater than all of this. When the y is by itself, or the variable is by itself, we can just shade that side. So this says it's bigger than -x plus 2. So the red side, I am shading this region right here. The green side, I am shading the area that is smaller than 4. This is the area that is smaller than 4. And the purple side, I am shading the area that is smaller than 3. This is the area that is smaller than 3. So, which of the areas has been shaded by all 3 regions? That would be this section in the middle. Probably should have made it so it wasn't a triangle again, but I just like making triangles. Triangles are fun. All right. So that's the area that's been shaded by all 3. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. Red line, green line, purple line. This line right here, there is a y and an x, which means this is a diagonal line. There's nothing written over here, which means that the y-intercept is at 0. The slope is -1, so down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. This is a dotted line. Green line, y is greater than or equal to x minus 4. The y-intercept is -4. The slope is 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. This is a solid line. Finally, purple line, this is y is less than 5. There's only a y here, so then y is 5. This is a dotted line. Let's do my shading. Shading on the red line. This is y is greater than -x. So there's the section below, which is less than, and there's the section above, which is greater than. So I'm shading this section right here. The green line, I am shading the section that is above this, which is the greater than side. So I'm going to shade these. And you know what? I'm making a last minute change here because I am tired of all these things. I didn't do this problem beforehand. Oh, I can't erase that. I'm making this a greater than sign. Right? It's going to show up as a greater than sign in your canvas. So that's y is greater than 5. That would be my purple line now. Instead of shading the region that is below, I'm going to shade the region that is above. So, which region is being shaded by all of them? So notice that that is the area above the triangle. So this line comes out here, so that's going to be like here. And then this line continues up here. This area over here, notice, is just purple and green. This area over here is just purple and red. But this area in between, like all of this section, has all 3 So that area up there that's overlapping 3 times is your shaded region. It is your solution region. All right, and that is the last problem from this section here. There's an assignment for you on Canvas to go check out. Again, if you have questions, comments, concerns on the shading of 3 inequalities, make sure that you leave them in the comments or ask me. And thank you very much for watching. See you later.